Welcome, trolls. First sees all.
Hi everyone, bonjour tout le monde. Thanks for stopping by. People asked me in the comments yesterday, and thanks for commenting everyone. Well, Bruce is showing us a moon that was not yesterday because the moon was a sliver. Well, if you look here, that is the sliver of the moon, and that's the rest of the full moon. This is how I observe the moon, and you see the reflection or refraction of light on the other side, or maybe another planet, who knows? But this is with the infrared camera, and this is why we're seeing it this way. And we can see the moon full, because the moon is complete. It always is, even though that terminator line is only showing us a part of it. The same thing I do with a camera of the visible spectrum, just a regular camera, an adjustment of the ISO and the exposure, and you can see the entire moon.
So check it out, the sun's right there and the moon's right there, not far. The sun's there and the moon is right there.
So this was the moon yesterday, June, during the afternoon, before I got the infrared last night, which, wow, I know now there's a lot of UFOs over the house. And yes, there are more now than there was a couple of weeks ago, because I would have seen them. These are a few quick shots, nice shots of a large constellation that's straddling the celestial equator. Its name is from the Greek serpent bearer, commonly represented as a man grasping a snake. So Ophiuchus figures between constellations of Aquila, Serpens, and Hercules, northwest of the center of the Milky Way. The southern part lies between Scorpius to the west and Sagittarius to the east. So now we go back to the moon, and this time we're going to get something pretty spectacular, and it's a close surface. And wait till you see all the beautiful views of Copernicus crater, Kepler crater, Aristarchus crater, and the beautiful surface color in exquisite close-up clear detail. I'm going to shut up, get some music up with this. Enjoy everyone, more on the way, and I'll be out on the moon tonight, I hope. If not, by the latest tomorrow, she should be around.